Hello and welcome. We have started the new lectures organometallics. In the chapters, we have seen some reactions of organometallics with the various compounds. Now, first reactions we have seen the reactions with carbon dioxide. Firstly, we have seen the general reactions with carbon dioxide. So, these Grignard reagents, we have added this CO2 like a dry CO2 carbon dioxide. Then what happens? This R carries negative charge, magnesium carries positive charge, and X carries negative charge. So this R is a good nucleophile is attack on this carbon, negative charge on oxygens to get a complex. So this R is attached to this carbon and to form R C double bond O minus near to Mgx. And this complex we can hydrolysis with water, acid hydrolysis, to get the corresponding acid, and this is the byproducts. Let's we have see the examples like chlorobenzene. This chlorobenzene we treat with magnesium metal in dry ether. Then this Grignard reagent will get formed, and then these Grignard reagents are treated with dry ice like a CO2. Then what happens? This benzene carries negative charge, which is attack on this carbon, carbonyl carbon, and to get this complex. Then after formation of this complex, which is hydrolysis with water, and to get the corresponding acid are named as the benzoic acid, and this is a byproducts. Next examples we have see this cyclohexyl bromide. This cyclohexyl bromide we can treat with magnesium metal in dry ether and to get the new Grignard reagents. And then these Grignard reagents we can treat with dry ice like a carbon dioxide and to get the complex of this. How will you attach the CO2? This is a CO2 and this is cyclohexyl carries negative charge which attack on this carbonyl carbon and to get this complex structures. Then this complex we can hydrolysis with the water, acid hydrolysis, and to get the product is the cyclohexanic acid, cyclohexanoic acid, and this is a byproducts. Now next reactions we have see the reactions with cyanide. Similar reactions are like CO2. These Grignard reactions, the general reaction like Grignard RMGX treat with this alkyl cyanide. This R carries negative charge which attack on this carbon and to form negative charge on oxygen. So NMGX. See here, this is R1 and it is the R. So this is the R is attacked to form this one of these carbon carbon double bond is replaced to get carbon carbon double bond is here. So NMGX, and which on hydrolysis with water then get N minus convert to NH, and this is the byproducts. Then this amine are treated with the water To get ammonia will be repelled and the final product will get acetone. Sorry, ketone. It is the byproduct. Now let's we have see the some examples of that reactions is reactions with cyanobenzene. Then these cyanobenzene are treated with methyl magnesium bromide. Then what happens? This methyl carries negative charge which attack on this carbon, and so this methyl on that side attack, and to get negative charge on this nitrogen, so NMgBr. And then this complex which are hydrolysis with water then get N minus convert to NH. So this is imine, and then this imine which on hydrolysis with water, acid hydrolysis, to get ammonia it will be repaired by oxygen to get corresponding ketone. The name as the acetophenone. So name is the product is acetophenone. Next reactions we have see next examples like this Grignard reagents, and then these Grignard reagents are treated with the formonitrile. Then what happens? This benzene carries negative charge. Benzene carries negative charge is attack on this carbon and form the negative charge on nitrogen which is attached to Mg plus Br. So benzene is attached to the CH double bond NMgBr. And then this complex which on hydrolysis with water to get the imine like structures, and then these imines which are acid hydrolysis to get the final product is a aldehyde like benzaldehyde. Next examples like cyclohexyl cyanide. Then these cyclohexyl cyanide are treated with methyl magnesium bromide. This is a Grignard reagents. Then what happens? This methyl is attack on this carbon similar to above reactions. Then this methyl is attached to this carbon. Double bond N carries negative charge. And then these imines, sorry, this complex it treat with water. Then what happens? The N minus convert to NH and byproduct is this. Then these imine are treated with the acid hydrolysis to get the product is this is a corresponding ketone cyclohexyl acetone, and ammonia it will be repelled. Next reactions, let's we have see this is Grignard reagents, and then these Grignard reagents we have add this formonitrile. Then what happens? This negative charge of this negatively charged carbon attack on this carbon and to form the negative charge on nitrogen. So this carbon attack on this carbon, and this is N minus MgBr. So this complex will get formed and then treat with water to get the imine. Then get imine, and then this imine can treat with acid hydrolysis with water and to get the final product is this ketone. And this is a product is ketone. Another type of reactions This is a ketone type of reaction, sorry, aldehyde. Next reactions, similarly, the ethyl magnesium bromide are treated with this methyl cyanide to get the complex. Then this complex can be hydrolysis with water and to get the imine. And then these imines which can hydrolysis with acid hydrolysis with water to get the corresponding ketone as the product. Now next reactions we have C reactions with epoxides. So these ethylene oxides, now we have see these general reactions. Ethylene oxides, so RMgX. So this R carries negative charge and this R is attack on this carbon, breaking of this epoxide ring on that side. So open this ring on these sides. So O minus Mgx. So R CH2, this CH2, then O Mgx. So this is complex will be formed. Then this complex which are hydrolysis with as water to get corresponding alcohol, primary alcohol, and this is a byproduct. So this is a general reactions for epoxide with Grignard reaction, Grignard reagents. Now we have take this halobenzene like bromobenzene, and this bromobenzene can treat with magnesium metal to get these Grignard reagents. And then these Grignard reagents are treated with epoxide like ethylene oxide. What happens? This benzene ring carries negative charge, attack on this carbon and open the ring on that side. So benzene CH2 CH2. See here, this is a benzene ring CH2 CH2 and then OMgBr. This complex will be formed and then this complex which are acid hydrolysis, this complex with acid hydrolysis to get corresponding alcohol name is a 1 sorry 2 phenyl ethanol. It is a final product. Next, also such a type of reactions like the methyl magnesium chloride are treated with this ethylene oxide. Then what happens? The methyl carries negative charge. So this methyl is attack on this carbon and open the ring on that side. So CS3, CH2, CH2, CS3, CH2, CH2, OMgCl, which are having the complex. And then this complex are treated with acid hydrolysis to get the corresponding alcohol as a propanol, and this is a byproduct. Next reactions is a cyclohexyl magnesium bromide are treated with ethylene oxide to get corresponding alcohol. Similarly, this cyclohexyl complex, this is cyclohexyl ethyl magnesium, sorry, this is a complex can treat with acid hydrolysis to get corresponding alcohols like the 2-hexyl ethanol as the final product. Thank you.